Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And guess what? The easiest and best ever 3D design software just got better. Yeah, more better. So here we are talking about Spline, and Spline got really great new updates. So let's see what we have today. And if you haven't seen no Spline or haven't seen about it in my previous video, I will put the links in the information thingy. I think what they say that cards or in the description as well. You can get to say it. It's really easy to use a software, and previously it was more easier and with lesser docs. Now it has some more new features, cool features that is gonna look like great. Okay, so I'm really excited because now we have those things that we can directly implement in our websites and in a new way. Like previously we would also have that, we had that, but now it's more polished and I'm really excited about it. Okay, let me show it to you. So here we have Spline, and first thing you will see that now it's saying open app. So yeah, Spline has introduced a web app, so you don't have to download the Spline app for your Windows or Linux or Mac OS anymore. You can just get started here, or you can download it to get you the power of your GPU. That is also applicable, like also possible. But yeah, having a app like this in, oh, it's great, right? In web, that's really gonna be a game changer for a lot of us, newer age freelancers or designer who are using 3D design just as an little portion of a element. We are not professional 3D designer, but those characters, those animations, those things are really great that we would like to use in our software. So that's one thing. Now here you have a little bit of overview of what they have new in here, but I will go to the feature section and let you know. And yeah, they have introduced collaboration in Fixplane web. That is awesome. Then sculpting is also here. That is, as you can see, sculpting wasn't there previously. 3D gradient, a new thing that is introduced, and a lot of other things. And let me show the things to you. Okay, real time collaboration, obviously a new added feature. 3D modeling, new feature. Animation, there was animation before, so it's not new. Interactivity also there before. Materials of every kind was there. And 3D why they have used 3D sculpting in two spaces, I don't know, but yeah, 3D sculpting is a new thing. Like this brush kind of a 3D sculpting is a new thing that they have introduced. And image exports, so yeah, previously you was able to export it in PNG on JPG. That's also like that's was there. Now polygon modeling, I don't know what that means actually because I haven't used it. Materials asset, obviously there are materials previously, now they have added some new, I think. But the most interesting thing, that is, I can use it to have React codes now. Yes, they have built their own React library, and you can now copy the code for your React. And that's awesome. That's awesome. This is what that gonna be change the use of spleen into this industry a lot. Because previously you have to run a server which runs 3js, and then only you will be able to add spleen. Now I think that we will be needing 3js still. I haven't gone through the documentation of the coding portion yet, but it's possible. Or they will add that in their spleen library, like in npm they will add that as a dependency. That is also possible. But whatever, we have react components now, and previously we have to have a server, like they prefer to run a django server and run it in your web. But now we can have it as simple react elements, and that's mind blowing. That's seriously mind blowing. So this is something I'm really, really happy about, because yeah, now we can use a lot of 3D elements in our websites, and in a technology in which we are mostly familiar with. Okay, so that's gonna be a great thing. I'm really excited about this feature. And then there is vector editing. Previously there was vector editing, yeah, there was, and now we have again. Then web events, so they are adding web events, like web interactions. But all of those interactions and animations are in yeah, I think are for pro plan only, I think. I don't know why, how they have structured their new pricing plan, but we will see. Okay, so here we have react code type rim. You can paste it in type rim as well as iframe. Okay, and you can obviously export it as iframe. Then you have webflow. In webflow you have to obviously export it as iframe, and simple html js you can like add it. And you can add it in wordpress at iframe as well. But react code, yes, I really, really love it. React code, yes, yeah. Now in the download options, you have macOS M1, macOS Intel, Windows, Linux. All of the previous versions are available. Okay, and now newly they have browser based, obviously, because why not? Now let's go into the app. Obviously, I have some workspace created previously. Here is one of them. I have created this logo a long ago, and I have made this obviously. Now here we get the new option to invite someone, and here are in the export section. I would like to see this specifically. So we can export GIF, but geometry only. We can export dot spline file. We can export frame recording, image, react component, and web content. In web content, what we are getting in web content, I don't know, but whatever, we are getting something at least. Okay, and basic things are same. So you can get to, like go through their documentation to understand it, because they have like really well documented all of the features of spleen over here. Like if you want to get started, what are the things. Then in 3D design, those are all of the new topics that I can see, so I have to go through that. But these are all old topics, you can go through them. Then interactions, state and events, I haven't gone through them previous in my previous use of spleen, because those were restricted to only paid users. So I was using not to paid user as if they are using, but exporting those are only restricted to pure users, so I haven't used them, because that doesn't make sense, making all of it and then like will be able to share it to anyone. That doesn't make sense for me, so that's why I haven't done that. But what I can see, those are the monthly plans that you are getting explained right now. So in super, you are getting $7 per month, and in super team, you are getting $9 per editor per month. So as you increase your team, you will get like you will have to pay more and more in the team plan. Yeah. Now in $7 plan, what we can see, we have unlimited editors on personal file, unlimited personal folders. That is great. And remove logo from public URL. That is also great. And in free, unlimited personal file, unlimited file viewers, up to 2 team files, up to 2 editors, 1 team project, access to the Spline library. Okay, great. Generating public URLs and export public URLs with logo. Yeah, so that's basically about it, about this video about new Spline. I have to go through the documentation now to learn more and more about it, because many things are new over here, and we'll try it obviously and export React codes out of it, because now it's have React, right? Oh, I'm really excited. So that's about this video. That's all about is this video. Let me know if you like using Plane or not, and if you are also excited about this new update or not. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know some of the great apps like this, please let me know about all of them. And that's it. Bye.